Hello everyone, my name is Baldeep Singh, student of BCM College of Education, B.Ed's final year, going to present a small video on linear equation in two variables for class 10th. Today I will be discussing about what do you mean by linear equation and their solution. I hope you may all enjoy this video. Okay, first of all, before going to start any lecture, we should know about what do you mean by linear equation. Here linear means its degree. We are talking about the equation consists of variables and constant. Variables can be anything, for example x, y, z. It can be anything, and constant is we are talking about the numeric value. It can be 2, -1, anything. And here linear means degree of the variables. Especially I'm going to mention degree of the variables. This degree, it should be 1. For example, here I'm going to mention two examples. 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Here you can see degree of variable. Here we are using the variable x, its degree. Degree means the power. Power is 1. Same for 3y. For variable y, its degree is also going to be 1. Therefore, this is the linear equation. If variable's degree is or the variable's power is going to be 1, it means we are going to refer about linear equation. And for class 10th, we are only going to talk about two variables. It means for our linear equation, we are going to mention only two variables. For example, x plus y plus z equals to 2. This is a linear equation in three variables, but in this video I'm going to talk about only two variables. I hope you may all get it. Next please. Now before going to start anything, we should know about the journal form of the linear equation. Journal form means in this slide or in this chapter we always going to refer first ax. X means the variable and a is going to be the constant, plus by. Y should be the variable and b can be any constant, and the last is a c for the any numeric value. For example, I'm going to refer this 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This means 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. You can match this. Here a is going to be 2, b is going to be 1, and c is going to be 4. I hope you all are getting it. Here next, now we should know about the solutions of the linear equation. This is the most important criteria. See this here, a, b, p, q, they all are the variables variables of the constant. Just see this, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, px plus qy plus r equal to 0. X and y are the variables, a and b are the constant. I'm going to recite it again. X and y are the variables, a and b are the constant. Similarly, for our next equation, px plus qy plus r equal to 0. Here, x and y are the variables, p and q are the constant. Now see it. If, first condition, if a upon p is not equal to b upon q, then we are going to get the unique solution. I'm going to show you in the upcoming slide properly, but here we are going to only refer the rules. We will be getting the unique solution, and this will represent our intersecting lines, and intersecting lines are consistent type of the system. I would like to say it means we are going to get a solution. If we are going to get a solution, our linear equation are consistent. If we are not going to get any solution, then our linear equation are inconsistent. Okay, now see the second case. If a upon p, again is variables of coefficient of x, and p is coefficient of x of second equation. Here a upon p equals to b upon q equals to c upon r. All three is are equal. Then it will going to refer infinitely many solutions, and it is going to represent coincident lines, and this is also going to be consistent. And our last case, if a upon p equals to b upon q but not equal to c upon r, then it going to refers to as no solution, and it going to represent our parallel line. Since it has no solution, therefore it is inconsistent. I'm going to give you example of each and every type, and I'm going to solve each and every equation with the help of the graph. Just see properly. Now, first of all, we are going to talk about case 1. Okay, now see, I'm going to take two equations, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Here you can easily see, here a is 1, here a is 1 and b is 3. It means we are going to get 1 upon 3. And for our uh, b and c, they see y coefficient is going to be minus 1, and y coefficient for our second equation is going to be 2. 1 upon 3 is not equal to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, we are going to talk about our first case, which is going to be represented as intersecting lines. Now I'm going to make graph of each and every equation. Just see it properly. My first equation is x minus 1 plus x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now see it. First, I am going to take x equal to 0. To get the solution, we need to take any. Just see the second point. We assign any value to one of the. We assign. Just wait. We assign any value to one of the two variables and then determine the value of the other variable. It means that we need to give one value to any of the variable, whether it is x or y, it really doesn't matter. Then we will determine the value of the other variable. It means that we are going to get the value of the second variable. Now see it properly. Here in our first equation, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now I am going to take, to find the solution, I am going to take x equal to 0. If I am going to take x equal to 0, 0 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now I will exchange the places. Here it is minus y. If it get it in the right side, then y is equals to 1. We are going to get the value of y is 1. Therefore my first solution is 0 comma 1. When x equal to 0, then y we are getting is 1. Therefore again, I need to make one graph. Just note it very carefully. To make any graph, we need at least two solutions. If we are going to get 2 points, then we will plot the graph. Now see, if I took y equal to 0, y equal to 0, then x minus 0 plus 1 equal to 0. Now here it is 1. If I get to the right side, x is also going to be minus 1. Now my answer is going to be 0 comma minus 1. My second point is going to be 0 comma minus 1. I hope you all are getting this because it is very important. Now see it very carefully. Now I'm going to plot all these points. First point was 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1, just see it carefully. 0 comma 1. X-axis is 0, y-axis is 1. This is my point. Now my second solution was 0 comma minus 1 comma 0. If I'm not wrong, minus 1 comma 0. Just see it carefully. Minus 1 comma 0. Now this point is going to represent minus 1 comma 0. And if I join these 2 points, we are going to get a line. This is our line representing x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now see. Now I'm going to talk about my second equation. My second equation was 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now what I'm going to do, just read carefully, I'm going to repeat the step again. I will put x equal to 0, then 0 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. If I'm going to solve this, I'm going to get y equal to 6, my answer. Therefore my first point is going to be 0 comma 6. Now again, if I took y equal to 0, then I'm going to get the value of x is 4. Then my second point is going to be 4 comma 0. Now again I need to plot both these points on the same graph. Now see it carefully. Now here this line is going to represent my second equation. My first point was 4 comma 0. X-axis was going to be 4 and y-axis is going to be 0. And my second point was 0 comma 6, and this is my second point. If I'm going to join these 2 points, I'm going to get intersecting lines, and the point of intersection is going to give the solution, and you can easily see that it has only one solution. I hope you all are getting the first case, and I've proved this with the help of the graph. Now I'm going to talk about the second case. Our second case was the parallel line case. Parallel lines case, as you all you might have remembered that coefficient of x is going to be 1 for first line, and for second it was 2, 1 upon 2. Same coefficient of y was 1, and coefficient of y for the second equation is 2. Both are equal. Now we need to talk about the constant numbers. Sorry, here I there is one error. Sorry, it's not going to represent the parallel line. It is a coincident case. Sorry, there is a mistake. Okay, coincident. Typing mistake. Coincident line case, because all these are going to be equal. -5 upon -10. You all know, if I'm going to cut 5 on the 5, 5 to cut 10. All these are going to be equal. If all these points are going to be equal, therefore it is going to represent the coincident case. Okay, now say it carefully. Now I'm going to make this line. First of all, first equation was x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Now you all know the steps. Put the value of x is 0. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो, but 0 लेने से ज़्यादा फायदा होगा. You can take any value of x, but if we took the value of x 0, it is going to be more convenient for us. We will be able to solve this equation very easily. Now see it carefully. If x equal to 0, 0 plus y minus 5 equal to 0, y is going to be 5. Therefore our first point is going to be 0 comma 5. Now again, if I put the value of y 0, x plus 0 minus 5 equal to 0, we are going to get the value of x is 5. This is our value of the x. Therefore we are going to get 2 points, 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. I'm going to plot it on a graph. See it carefully. Here is a graph. This is my first point, 5 comma 0, and this is my second point, 0 comma 5. Now see, I'm going to plot my second equation. 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. We are going to repeat our step again. Put x equal to 0. You can take any value, but taking x equal and y equal to 0, it will be more easier for us to solve this equation. If x equal to 0, 0 plus 2y, I'm going need to represent 2y, sorry. 2y minus 10 equal to 0, and it's going to be 5 again, 0 comma 5. Sorry for the inconvenience. And 2x plus 2y minus 10, if I'm going to take y equal to 0, here I need to represent 2x. 2x minus 10 equal to 0, 2x equals to 10, and x value is going to be 5. This is my second point. I hope you all are getting it. Now see, if I'm going to plot it again, I'm going to get the same point again, 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. This is our same point which we are getting at the first equation. our first and second equation both are lying on the same line of the graph. Therefore, these cases are both lines are coincident lines. Therefore, it has infinitely many solutions. Coincident line means that both these lines are lying on same on the graph and both are having infinitely many solutions. Okay, now let us consider about our third case. Third case was the parallel line case. Now parallel lines, आपको याद होगा, if you remember this, we are going to talk about the coefficient again. X coefficient is going to be 1 for the first equation, X coefficient for the second equation is going to be 1, and Y coefficient is going to for the first equation is 1, and Y coefficient for the second equation is again going to be 1. Both are equal, but now we need to see the constant. First constant was -5 and the second constant was -10. These two are not equal to the 1. Therefore, if A upon B equal to C upon D but not equal to our constant P upon Q, therefore it's going to represent parallel line case. Now I'm going to solve this on the graph. See it carefully. I'm going to talk about our first equation, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. You need you know the all the steps. Again we're going to repeat. Take x equal to 0, 0 plus y minus 5 equal to 0, y is going to be 1. We will get y equals to 5. Therefore our first equation, first point is going to be 0 comma 5. And now we need to put y equal to 0, x plus 0 minus y equal to 0, x is going to be 1. Therefore we get x equals to 5 comma 0. This is our second point. You all know that now we need to plot both this point on the graph. This is 0 comma 5 and this is, sorry, this is 5 comma 0, this is 0 comma 5. Now see it carefully. Now I'm going to talk about my second equation, x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Now again you need to take x equal to 0, y minus 10, sorry, so please let me check the equation, x plus y minus 10. Okay, I need to correct this. Please say it carefully. X plus y minus 10 equal to 0. This is my first equation. If I put x equal to 0, this is going to be 10. Then y is going to be 10. See it carefully. Here I am mentioning right answer. If x equal to 0, then y is going to be 10. Now again, if I put y equal to 0, see, y equal to 0, our second step, here it's going to be 10, then our x is going to be 10. Therefore our second point is going to be 10 comma 0. Now we need to plot all this point of the graph. Here it is 10 comma 0 and 0 comma 10. See it carefully. All these lines, these two lines, they are not never going to meet each other. These are parallel lines. They are representing the parallel line, and both are parallel lines. Therefore it has no solution because they are not having any common point. Therefore they are not going to have any solution. I hope you all may getting my point. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much.